designers, in today's video, we will learn how to create this Liquify portrait effect using a simple trick in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Make a copy of your layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Now with the object selection tool, select the head or the part where you want to apply the effect. Press Ctrl or Command J to copy the selection to a new layer. Press Ctrl or Command and click on the thumbnail to activate the selection. With the layer 1 active, go to Select, Modify and expand it by 20 pixels. Hit OK. Now right click and choose Content Aware Fill. Press Ctrl or Command D to deselect it. Now activate the top layer and from the rectangular marquee tool, make a selection of the area you want to remove. Go to Select, Inverse and click on the mask icon over here. Right click and convert the layer to a smart object. Now go to Filter, Liquify. With the forward warp tool selected, push it downwards. Create your desired effect and hit OK. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, do like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.